Welcome to Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways.
Early birds type in Early Bird for our 5:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Early Bird spinner wheel, where 3 lucky first spinners will win Stickman Outdoor Adventure and Sticky's Friday Random Giveaway channel stickers, and they get a spin on Sticky's prize wheel for a great prize gift.
Duck races start at full stream opening at 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Let's go quack quack.
Sticky's has 3 4-minute duck races. We have a 7-minute race and 2 ending end of stream EOS 1 for coin and around a 2 minutes 22 seconds race to honoring them, and our Sticky's end of stream EOSA 3 minutes 33 seconds race. We have 2 intermission bin, no bin or take a spin, where we give you all the vowels and you have to guess the word. We have our Wheel of Doom, the last on standing, where you can win a great prize gift if you are the winner of the Doom.
Prizes added weekly, many great prizes to be won. We hope you are the winner of a great prize.
First and last place duck racers are added every week into the Race of Chance and end of the year race for bigger and better prizes. We will be racing in heats, and the winners, up to 5 racers in each heat, will be racing for the end of year final Race of Chance. Good luck.
Happy fall.
Early birds type in Early Bird.
Welcome to Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Early birds type in Early Bird. Sticky's stream start time is as follows: 5 to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 7 to 7:30 p.m. Central Time, and 8 to 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And in Canada, 8 to 10 p.m. It depends where you are at in Canada. Early Bird winner will be pulled at 5:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Duck races start at 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and in your area where your time is equally.
It's time for Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Let's go quack quack.
Welcome to Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Brought to you by Stickman Outdoor Adventures. Early birds type Early Bird.
Sticky's is so much fun.
We want to welcome you to the show.
I am so glad I found Sticky's, best time I have had in years.
Stream opening starting time 5 to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Duck races starting time 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and full stream opening time. We have the bin / no bin or spin. We have the Wheel of Doom, the last man standing. Friends, chat, fun, and games all stream long. New prizes every week. We add prizes weekly.
Always so much fun at Sticky's.
The fun never stops at Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Lots of nice prizes to be won.
I really enjoyed the duck races. It was easy to win a nice prize. Thank you.
Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Hit the notification bell as to be notified when Sticky's post next. Nothing but love and a little peace.
I will return. I hope you do.
Welcome new friends, and welcome back friends and family.
I enjoyed the bin, no bin, or spin. Thank you.
We thank you for your support.
Who's ready for a duck race?
What time is it? It's time for the duck races. Let's go. Quack, quack. Quack. Happy Friday, friends and family. We hope you have a safe and happy time till we see you all again. This is a family-friendly channel. Please no politics or religion. Thank you. Please no bad language. Keep it family-friendly. Thank you. Lots of love from your friends here at Sticky's. Truly yours, Jerry, Robin, and Graham's Beach.
I don't know where I'm going, but I know one thing for sure, yeah.
See you soon.
So much more. I could be a fighter, when your back's against that wall.
Sticky's 2024.
Oh, headed towards that ball, I'll be throwing on the fire. No prayer and no way down, baby, let me be a fighter. By your side, I'm going out.
Thank you from Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Welcome to Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Brought to you by Stickman Outdoor Adventures. Starting at 5 to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Early Birds type in Early Bird. Early bird drawing at 5:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Been living like a runaway, searching for someone who wouldn't turn the other way.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button. Puppies Roxy and Daisy and Kitty Henry say let's go.
Sticky's Friday random giveaways brought to you from Stickman Outdoor Adventures 2024.
Boom.
Please keep watching to the very end. Thank you.
Darn it, I can't get through.
Sorry, but the number you have dialed is in an alternate dimension. Please hang up and rotate your phone 180 degrees, flip it around, and try again 15 minutes ago from last Tuesday.
Hope see you Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Early bird spinner will 5:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Thank you, Sticky.